Okay, I'm back. So we're not, you have your little information here. We're not going to add any links. You can also add images or videos to go with the information that you have on the screen. So I'm going to add just an image that looks, this one is a bunch of people in face masks, I think. So it's something a little kind of to go with your point. You can also upload audio. So if you had a podcast or a recording, you could do that. So for right now, I'm done with this one tag. So I'm going to hit done. And now you're back to your main image. You can click on it and move it. Move it anywhere on the picture. I'm going to place it just kind of right here, just over China in general. And then this will open it up to edit it again or to see what it is. We're going to hit done because we're still in the editing mode. And so then you would add another one. So we're going to add a text label. The icon I want it to be this time is the magnifying glass. I want it to be, let's do a yellow one. And all this is going to be is like a title or something like that. So I'm going to say the 2020 global pandemic hyphen COVID-19. Oops, I am so sorry. COVID-19. So that's all there is for this one. So I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to put it right at the top so people can kind of see that that's what it is right at the top. So you will have more than two tags in your thing, but I'm going to hit done for right now to show you something else. So this is what it would look like if you're going to share it with someone. So you can click up here. If you open up an image and it looks like this and you want to change it to edit, you go to the pencil. These are the settings of it, so you can rename it. So I'm going to say COVID-19 global pandemic. Save. There are more actions you can do over here. So you can change the background, you can save it to a collection. But what I wanted to show you was if you are looking at a ThingLink and you are not in the editing mode and you're looking at it, you can click on the tags that you have. And instead of reading this one, if you look right here, there's an X to get out of it, which will do that. But if you open it back up, there's also this. Which is a book with like a little microphone, and so it will read it to you. So you can change the font size or whatever size is going to work for you. You can also edit it this way. To do that, you can make it bigger. Oops, I'm so sorry. Lily. You can change the theme of it, so what it looks like. But what I wanted to show you in here is you can also, if you open this up and you're editing or you're looking at a ThingLink, you can hit play right here and it will read you. It's like it'll be an audio version of the tag that you have done.
The COVID-19 global pandemic is a novel coronavirus disease that is impacting the entire world as of April 2020. It originated in Wuhan, China in late 2019.
So I'm going to pause it. You can also go to the voice settings down here and change the speed. So if it's normal, male or female, anything like that. And then I'm going to go back and it'll get me out of there. So that is how you create a ThingLink. And then when you're done, you'll just close out of it. It'll save it. And then if you wanted to share it with me, you would click the one you've been working on. So right here, and you would hit publish. Share link, and you can get the shareable link right here. Control C, and then you would, or copy link. It says it's copied, so you'd close, and then you would go into your email, or however you're going to share it, whether it's putting it in a Google Doc or emailing it.